Good morning, dears. This is grade 6 Maths Mile-ish, written by Sumar Kumar. So, in this grade 6 Maths, today we are going to learn chapter 8 Basics of Geometry. So, what is the means of basics? Basics mean fundamental, essential. Also, geometry means algebra. Geometry means basic of geometry. The basic of geometry is based on the point, and the basic of geometry is depend on the points, lines, planes explained in coordinate geometry. And the coordinate geometry, explanations of the lines, points and planes. So the different type of shape, there is the different type of shape in geometry help us, and in the geometry, and that geometry help us the different type of shape to understand the shape. There is also to understand the scientists and also teachers and the students. Also geometries help us the shape day-to-day life and their day life. With the help of geometric concept, with the help of the geometric concept, and that geometric concept also concept means the way to solve. There is also showing the theory. It's mean concept mean theory. Geometric theory help how to solve the shape and to understand the different type of shape. Also, we can calculate with the help of geometric concept. We can calculate the area, also perimeter and the volume of shape. We can solve the volume of shape, perimeter and area. So we also understand what is the means of previous lessons, area, perimeter and also volume. Here the basic concept of geometry. Points, we have to understand what is the means of points in that basic concept of geometry. A points represents an exact locations. There is points also showing an exact location, exact place in a space. In that point has the no length, no breadth and also no height. A point is represented by a dot. Also point is showing by a dot. By putting a dot, also we can represent the point. It is generally donated. We have in that points is donated note by capital letter. We make where we have put the points. Here we have we need to name that points. We have put the capital letter. For given example, I have showing a given example. This is called the points. In that points here, this is point. I have put the name A. I also put the capital letter. In that point have the no length, no height. Here you can see the length, no, because we see the length. This is called the length. Here in that point have the, here in that points we can see the length. Length also in that points has the no height. Also we have length, points has the no length, breadth and height. Where we have called the points, in that points have the no length, breadth and height. So another lines. What is the means of lines? A line is a straight part of points. Also line is called the straight part. As part is the way of the points, going the points way that can extend in both the directions. Also we can say the in both direction. For given example, I'm showing, then you have to understand. This is called the straight lines, and that lines has the, a line has no end. In that line has the no ends because I have put here. First one is a point, naming a point. Another one is naming B points in capital letter, but the point is ongoing. In that B point is ongoing. Also say that a line has the no end. Here you can see in that line has this no end points. The line is ongoing. So line segments. What is the means of line segment? A line segment is a part line segment is also the part of a line. Also line segments is also a part of lines. Lines, it has the two endpoints. In that line has the endpoint, but line has the, there is no endpoint, but line segment has the endpoint. Thus has the fixed length. So there is also the fixed length. For given example, I'm showing this is line, but first line is I have put in A, another point is I have put in here, sorry, I have B. Also in this line has there is endpoints because I have put here points. First is here, but the line is not ongoing, so there is the fixed length. For given example 2 centimeter. So this is called the line segment. In this lines has the line is ongoing, this is called the line, this is called the line segment. I hope you have understands. So ray, what is the means of ray? A ray is a part of lines. Ray is also called the part of lines. It is the straight line with one endpoint. In that ray lines has the one endpoint, another is not endpoint, another endpoint is ongoing, one is the endpoints, and can be extended endlessly in other directions. Another direction is ongoing, but there is one endpoint. For given example here, you can then you will be understands. So this is lines, the line is ongoing, but first one is there is endpoints. I have put in C. Another point is I have put in D name, but one endpoint is ongoing, but there is endpoint, but another direction is ongoing. This is called the ray. But for example, the sun ray. The sun ray is there is where there is the sun ray comes from the sun's, there is endpoint, but the lines are going to earth, but also going whatever they have got the way. So I think that you have understands about what is the means of ray. Then now we are going to learn type of angle, but there is also different type of lines, similar lines, parallels, and also, but I have to teach about the grade 6 understands. But now we are going to learn the type of angles. There's also the different type of angles, but we have to understand, so we have to go we are going to learn in grade 6 math how many type of angles there's we have to learn. First one is right angle. What is the means of right angle? An angle of measure 90 degree is known as the right angle. Here we can draw ins and making some things. There is also measure, then we got the 19 degree. In that 19 degree angle is called the right angle. For I have given example showing this is horizontal, sorry, here this is horizontal line and vertical line. This is horizontal line, this is vertical line, row and column. In that row and column meet here, this is the right, we are drawing here, this is the right angle is 90 degree. This is called the right angle. Where there is one line is, another line is meet, there is 90 degree, and that 90 degree angle is called the right angle. So another one is a straight angle. Straight angle, what is the means of a straight angle? An angle forms by two right angle. There is also two right angles. After two right angle combining, then an angle forms give side by side is called a straight angle. For given example, this is the lines, sorry, this is the lines, that's lines I have showed in normal. There is 90 degree, also here 90 degree. In that 90 degree is 180 degree. Where there is 180 degree got, there is also called the straight line. So I hope you have understands a straight line. complete angle. An angle around a point is called a complete angle. Where there is an angle around a point is called the complete angle. Complete angle is an angle where there is got a straight angle. So I have given the example here. You have understands. This is lines. The line is going completely rounding, and that line is completely rounding. First is 180, another is 180. Total 360 angle. That angle is called the complete angle. That angle is called complete angle. This is, and this is complete angle. And this complete angle. Cycle. Rounds. One rounds. This is the complete angle. Another is acute angle. An angle that's measure less than 90 degree. But after measurings, we have got the angle. That angle is less than 90 degrees called the acute angle. For given example, acute angle is here. We are drawing fast lines. Another line is going here. There is, for example, given 30 degree. That angle is called the acute angle. Why this is called the acute angle? Because we have got the less than 90 degree. We got 30 degree by measuring that angle. So this angle is called the acute angle. Here, obtuse angle. What is the means of obtuse angle? An angle that's measure greater than 90 degree. After measuring an angle, we got the more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. We got more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called the obtuse angle. For given example, here we got this is lines, another line is going, but here going, but this angle is for givens 120. We got measuring 120, but we got more than 90 degree but less than 100 degree, and that angle is called obtuse angle. And that angle is called obtuse angle. I hope that you have understands. If you don't understand, please come on there, then I will try to explain by writings in comments. So I think that you have understands to explain about the obtuse angle. So another one is reflex angle. This is the what is the means of what do you understand about the reflex angle? An angle that measure which angle is measuring by greater than 180 degree, but we measure one angle, and that angle we got 180 degree, more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. We got in this cycle has the 360 degree, but we got more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. In that angle is called the reflex angle. For given example, this is the line, this is the lines, and that line is going there. I'm not drawing properly because actually I don't understand properly by making in a screenshot and using the computer very weak. That's why I'm not explaining properly by drawings the picture by drawing these things, angles, and showing exact points. I hope that you will understand about it. This rounding, but in that angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. One round is called 360 degree, but half round is 180. So that's why we have fast lines. We have fast lines here. So this is called more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. For givens here we have got 250 degree. That angle is called the reflex angle. So I hope that you have understands. If you don't understand anything, you can ask, you can tell me in comments, then definitely I will try to explain by writing in comment. Thank you.